Yep. Good morning, everybody. This is Extreme Scratchers doing Monday Morning Madness. Hope everyone's having a great day. I got 4 poker games I wanted to do to see if we can get a win. Hope everyone had a great weekend and a happy father. Oh, there's a win. Dealer had only a 3 of a kind. I have a, yeah. That definitely beats the 3 of a kind. Cool. So we got 1 win so far. That's awesome. Let's see what else. Oh, that's 2 wins. Cool. 2 full houses already. Let's see if we can keep this going. And if it keeps going, it might be what I'm already thinking. Okay. 1 pair, 2 pair, so that doesn't beat that. So we got 2 wins so far, though. Right there. Okay. Let's see if we can get some more. No, so far it's just the first 2 wins. Oh, here we go. There's another win. Got 4 aces, 4 of a kind. Sorry, guys. This is awesome on the first card. Card 66 too, and that's a lucky number for me. It always has been. Maybe some people may think I'm a little weird, but that's just always how it's been for me. I've always been lucky with 66. That's 1, 2, 3 wins. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look at that. Another win. That's what's 2, 3, 4 wins. Let's see if we can get another one. Yeah, another win. Another full house. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins. I sure hope they're not only $1 each. But we'll find out. Let's do that right now. They are. They're $1 each, guys. You know what? This is what I hate about multiple wins. They screw with you. It's not good. $1, $2. This one is $1. This one is $1. And this one is $1. It's kind of messed up if you think about it. It really is. Let's check this fast 50, and now it's a 54. Let's check the bonus chip to see. Hopefully we get a multiplier. That would be good. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. $50, guys. A 10x poker. Very first anything X for me ever playing. That's a first. 10 times 5. $50 winner on a poker. This is definitely Monday Morning Madness. I'm so happy I bought these. So $5 plus 10 is $50 right there. That is awesome. Look at that, guys. 10x. Too bad these weren't more than $1. That would have been awesome. Too bad they weren't like $10 each. But I'm happy. Even though they were only $1 each, I got a 10x win, making it $50 for a Monday Morning Madness win on poker. And that's the first 10x I've ever seen on a poker. Actually, I've never gotten more than a 1x on any poker game in the couple of years I've been playing these things. This is awesome. That's what I call awesome. Yes, awesome. All right, let's keep going. That's great. All right, all right. That's great. Let's keep this going. Awesome. Dealer has a small straight. Let's see what we can get. We got nada there. Oh, instant win, guys. Instant win. There's the Joker. Right there. We got an instant winner. 2 wins in a row. Let's keep this going. Let's see if we can find another Joker here. Or a winning hand. No, that's only a 3 of a kind. That won't do it. Two of a kind. That won't do it. But we got a Joker on this one. That's an instant win. There's 4 of a kind. Oh, I just dropped my quarter in between the seats. I'm here at work doing this. I got them pick these up coming in this morning. 4 of a kind. Yeah, that's a win. So that's 2 wins. So I got that one and this one. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, it is a win. All right. So I got 2 wins on this card. And yeah, right here. I got the 4 of a kind and a Joker win right there. That's cool. Let's mark all this off a little bit better. There we go. That way you can see that Joker. And then the 4 of a kind right here. So let's see what the 4 of a kind is. After $5. And the Joker. It's a $10. Awesome, guys. That's a $15 winner. Let's see if there's any more up here. Nah, 52. Let's see if we get a bonus. Yeah, it's a 1X, but that's okay. A $15 winner and a $50 winner won $65 so far. This is awesome. Got 2 more cards to go. Sorry, guys. I gotta push the cards back up on here a little better. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is great. I'm happy I bought these ones. All right, we got $65 coming back. I only spent 20. So we're good wins, good profits. And another winner. Holy cow, guys, look at this. Dealer only has 1 pair of aces. I just got 4 of a kind. Another winner. Holy cow. Am I getting all the wins out of this book already? So that's a win right there over the dealer's hand. Awesome. Oh man, I'm so happy I bought these. Oh wow. Keep going. Nope. 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 And the last one. And no, just the first one is the winner. This one up here. So let's see what we got. Come on, cash money. It is money. Holy crap. Another $20. Holy cow. First 50, then 15, now $20. Look, he only has 1 pair of aces. I got a 4 of a kind. This is awesome. Let's check the Fast 50. No.